If you're looking for more ways to turn your house into a smart home, you don't need to worry. With internet technology becoming increasingly advanced, people are sure to find a way to automate more chores with smart devices. Whether it's a smart robot that just cleans your windows for you, a laundry folding machine, or just your regular futuristic vacuuming bot, we're counting down 10 home robots that will do your chores for you. Let's get started with the video. Number 10. SPINX Toilet Cleaning Robot. Toilet cleaning has been the bane of everyone's existence since the dawn of time. You'd think that for a chore this hated, scientists would be the first to develop robots that clean your toilet for you. However, this technology is still in its early days, with only a few products available for sale. Despite that setback, we've managed to get our hands on the best toilet cleaning robot you could hope for. The team at SPINX recently announced their SPINX Toilet Cleaning Robot, a futuristic device that includes scanning the latest technology, making it suitable for different types of toilet bowls. The robot also boasts features like residue scanning and collision detection. Number 9. GRILLBOT Automatic Grill Cleaner. Don't you just love those 4th of July evenings when you're out grilling the most delicious barbecue on your lawn? While the food may certainly taste great, the effort that goes into the prepping and cleaning processes is sure to make anyone tired. Well, fear not. All you grill enthusiasts out there can rejoice now that there are robots that can clean your grill top for you. Don't have to break a sweat while attempting to vigorously scrub away at the stubborn grease. This adorable little robot does it for you. The process requires little to no effort on your part, and instead leaves the hard work to the robot that executes it pretty well. Number 8. DOLPHIN Nautilus Plus. Automated cleaning solutions for home pools have been around for some time. Yet while original models were dependent on your pool's pump system, modern pool cleaning robots are smarter than ever. Presenting DOLPHIN, which like its name suggests is the pool cleaning robot of the future. This latest robotic pool cleaner has sensors that prevents it from getting stuck in corners or floating aimlessly on the water surface. A feature that has allowed the robot to turn into an app-enabled pool cleaning robot is also in development. This feature gives you the freedom to guide the robot, adjust its modes, set timers, and more from a distance. With great reviews, great performance at a reasonable price, the DOLPHIN Nautilus Plus should be a must-have on your wish list. Number 7. HUSQVARNA 188 Window Cleaning Robot. If you've ever had to clean glass sliding doors and large windows, you know how tiring and thankless this chore can be, especially when someone grabs the glass with their bare hands the moment you finish cleaning. It's sure to drive anyone crazy, which is why we know you'll understand the appeal of a robotic window cleaner. This type of robot has existed for some time, but on a much larger scale only for commercial buildings like skyscrapers. However, much smaller consumer versions of the technology are now available for home use. It is also a safer way to clean those hard-to-reach exteriors on multi-story buildings. The HUSQVARNA 188 is one such window cleaning robot that takes all of the above-mentioned details into account and really gets the grime out of your glass windows. If it took you several hours to clean your windows, the HUSQVARNA 188 will do the task for you in less than half the amount of time. So what are you waiting for? It's time to end window cleaning once and for all. Number 6. EFFIE Smart Iron. Ironing is a chore you need to stay on top of if you want your clothes to look presentable and clean. But when you have a massive wardrobe, ironing can be an extremely hot and tiring process, which is why there's a need for an automatic ironing robot that would understand your needs and do the work for you. Thankfully, the team behind EFFIE Smart Iron has already started work on this amazing idea, and the product is currently under development. This EFFIE Smart Iron is an automatic iron similar to a clothing press or hanging clothes dryer, but gentler, and it doesn't require you to handle the clothing personally during the ironing process. The iron judges the quality of the garment's material and adjusts its heat settings accordingly, with some basic standard modes available for the most commonly used materials like cotton, etc. Number 5. iRobot LOOJ 330 Gutter Cleaning Robot. What's that awful smell? Oh no, it's that chore we all hate doing so much. Gutter cleaning is a nightmare for anyone who isn't comfortable with heights or the gunk that forms in that place over time. Luckily, the iRobot LOOJ 330 Gutter Cleaning Robot is here to your rescue. Just allow it to take care of the task on your behalf. The robot might not be as high-tech as some of the other robots in this list, which have app and internet connectivity, but it is most certainly one of the most useful and urgently needed ones. You can operate the iRobot LOOJ 3000 with remote controls and set them to respond to different modes. But best of all, you don't have to manually guide the robot along. Not only is this little robot great at cleaning through hard-to-reach corners, it's also a super cool gadget that serves as a safer way to clean your gutters if you live in a multi-story house. Number 4. FOLDIMATE Laundry Folding Machine. Folding laundry doesn't take up much of your energy, but it does take up a lot of your patience, which for us is a chore, and a rather huge disadvantage. This time-consuming task is so boring, you could probably fall asleep during it, which is why it's no wonder that scientists created a laundry folding robot. The FOLDIMATE Laundry Folding Machine showcased its automatic folding abilities at CES 2018. Using artificial intelligence, AI, the robot folding machine is able to fold your clothes according to your preferences and adjust the robot's settings accordingly with the number of garments you have. While the robot is definitely on the pricier end of this list, it's an incredible option for those who run laundromats or dry cleaning shops, or have large amounts of laundry to fold per day. Number 3. iRobot BRAAVA 380T Robot Mop. It seems like having our homes vacuumed by robots is not enough. We also want our floors mopped. That's where the iRobot BRAAVA 380T robot mops come in, which are basically robots that wash your floors. They either come as standalone devices or vacuum hybrids that include a washing function. Just like smart vacuums, smart mops are able to navigate around your house. Instead of sucking up debris, however, they spray jets of water and wipe over it with a mop attachment. The iRobot mops also have a dry sweep function, in case you need them to clean up a bit before adding water to the mix. These robot mops usually go hand in hand with robot vacuums, so be sure to stay on the lookout for both these gadgets. Number 2. ILIFE V8's Robot Vacuum. Automatic vacuums are the greatest gift to mankind. They provide many benefits, which is why they are one of the most popular robot types among modern consumers. Smart vacuums are one of the original attempts of developing automatic appliances, and over time, not only has the technology become more affordable, but the robots have become increasingly more advanced. Introducing the ILIFE V8's Robot Vacuum, the answer to all your vacuuming needs. This amazing robot comes equipped with a whole parade of autonomous functions, including stairs detection, area mapping, and automatic docking and charging station. So the next time you get a backache by sweeping and mopping the floors of your house, think of the ILIFE V8's Robot Vacuum. Number 1. HUSQVARNA AUTOMOWER 430X. Much like autonomous vacuums, scientists have made a variety of attempts to create automatic lawnmowers, and we're here to talk all about the best one out there. The HUSQVARNA AUTOMOWER 430X comes equipped with sensors that make it easier for it to navigate certain areas that are difficult for a human to reach. And while automatic vacuums only save you the work of cleaning a small amount of indoor space, an autonomous lawnmower like the HUSQVARNA AUTOMOWER 430X can effortlessly cover multiple acres of grass-covered land. Now isn't that awesome? The robot comes equipped with safety mechanisms in place that prevent household accidents, actually making it safer than regular lawnmowers in some ways. The HUSQVARNA AUTOMOWER 430X has sensors that are sensitive to collisions. These sensors also deactivate the blades automatically when the device is handled by a person or is near something that is not grass, something which traditional mowers do not do. It's convenience and safety, all rolled into one. Alright, comment below which of these robots you like to try out the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.